Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we will talk about selection sorts, also called straight selection sort. This lecture is divided into two videos. In first video we will try to understand the concept of selection sort and will solve a few examples for understanding this concept of selection sort. So we start with explaining the selection sort process. This sorting process is divided into several steps. ये जो जितना पूरा प्रोसीजर है इसको हमने कुछ स्टेप्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है. इफ़ देर आर n एलिमेंट्स इन द लिस्ट देन देर विल बी n-1 स्टेप्स. देखें, अगर आपके पास एक लिस्ट है, लिस्ट में कुछ एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो वो कितने एलिमेंट भी होंगे उसमें से एक कम हम कर देंगे. जैसे सपोज इफ़ यू हैव 5 एलिमेंट्स देन द स्टेप्स विल बी 5 - 1 इज इक्वल टू 4. सो देर विल बी 4 स्टेप्स. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप, सबसे पहले स्टेप में द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ द लिस्ट इज सेलेक्टेड एंड इज इंसर्कल्ड. सबसे पहले एलिमेंट को, लिस्ट के सबसे पहले एलिमेंट को हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे और उसको इंसर्कल कर लेंगे. देन द स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट इज सेलेक्टेड. फिर हम देखेंगे कि इन द रिमेनिंग लिस्ट विच एलिमेंट इज स्मॉलेस्ट एंड इट विल आल्सो बी इंसर्कल्ड. फिर इसके बाद हम उन्हें इंटरचेंज कर देंगे. देन बोथ विल बी इंटरचेंज्ड और स्वैप्ड. उनको हम स्वैप कर देंगे एंड दिस इज दी स्वैपिंग सिंबल, लेफ्ट टू राइट एंड राइट टू लेफ्ट. देन जब एक एलिमेंट हम स्वैप कर लेंगे, इंटरचेंज करके उसको उसकी प्रॉपर पोजीशन पर ले आएंगे. आफ्टर ब्रिंगिंग द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट at its proper position, we will select the second element in the list and encircle it, and it will be interchanged with smallest element of remaining list. और बाकी की लिस्ट में हम देखेंगे कि कौन सा एलिमेंट स्मॉलेस्ट है. इफ़ देर इज़ नो एलिमेंट स्मॉलर देन सेलेक्टेड एलिमेंट देन वी से. अब अगर आपके पास जो सेलेक्टेड एलिमेंट है उससे कोई स्मॉलर एलिमेंट नहीं है तो हम कहते हैं एलिमेंट इज एट इट्स प्रॉपर पोजीशन. So this was something about the selection sort. Now we will try to solve a few examples. Suppose I have a list of elements, some elements 18, 16, 13, 15 and 9. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements, so steps equals to n-1 equals to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This means there will be 4 steps in this process. Step number 1. Whatever is the step number, same number of element will be selected. Step number 1 and element number 1 is 18. So 18 is encircled. 16, 13, 15 and 9. Out of these remaining 4 elements, 9 is smallest and is selected. Now we will place the interchange symbol. 18 and 9 will be interchanged. The result 9, 16, 13, 15 and 18. So at the end of step number 1, 9 is sorted and has reached to its proper position. Step number 2. Element is equal to step number 2, element number 2, which is 16. Okay guys, so 9, 16, 13, 15 and 18. 9 is encircled. Now we see that 13 is smallest of the remaining 3 elements, 13, 15 and 18. So 13 is also encircled and is interchanged with 16. 9, 13, 16, 15, 18. So at the end of step number 2, second element 13 is also reached to its proper position. Step number 3. Element is equal to 16. 9, 13, 16, the selected element, 15 and 18. In the remaining list 15 and 18, 15 is smallest and also smaller than 16, so it is selected and interchange symbols are placed. 9, 13, 15, 16, 18. Okay guys, now we know that the list is sorted at this position 9, 13, 15, 16 and 18, but as there are 4 steps, so we are required to process to execute all the four steps. Step number 4, element number 4 is equal to 16. 9, 13, 15, 16 encircled and 18. Now in remaining list we have 18, but 18 is neither the smallest nor the smaller than 16. ना इससे छोटा है ना छोटा, सबसे छोटा है, इसलिए हम कहेंगे we'll write 16 is at its proper position, and the result is 9, 13, 15, 16 and 18. List is sorted. Okay guys, now we will have another example. Let's 5, 3, 8 and 12. So n is equal to 4, therefore steps will be n minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3 steps. So step number 1, element number element number 1 which is 5. Five is encircled 3, 8, 12. Smallest element is 3. 3, 5, 8, 12. Okay guys, now it's clear that the list is sorted in just the first step, but we have to execute the remaining 2 steps. Step number 2, element is equal to 5, 3, 5, 8, 12. 5 is at its proper position. So 3, 5, 8, 12. Similarly, step number 3, element is equal to 12. 3, 5, 8, 12. So sorry guys, third element is not 12, it's 8. Eight, 12. Now 8 is at its proper position. Okay, so this was something about the selection sort or the straight selection sort, and in second video we will consider the algorithm of the selection sort. Please watch my videos, subscribe my channel, also invite your friends to subscribe my channel and share the videos. Thank you.